Alright, hey guys, I'm back today with
Roxy.
Yes, so she'll be using Great Nature. This is round 2 of Great Nature versus Nubatama. So Roxy will draw 2. I will redraw many. I will draw 3. Wait. I will draw 2. Should I begin? Not yet. I'm still shuffling. One, two. Shall I begin? Let's see. 6. This is 6, right?
Yeah.
I'll go first. Stand up, Vanguard.
Leopald parrot.
Magatsu win. Draw. Alright. Fuki. Skill. Draw. Your turn.
Draw right pencil 9. A pencil square hum scale.
Okay. Let's continue.
Attack 8000 to your Vanguard.
Oh, best right. No guard.
Draft check, no trigger.
Crit all to Vanguard.
Your turn.
Stand and draw. Alright. That's grade 2. Magatsu Gale. Skill. Counter plus 1. Soul plus 1. Draw 1 card. Vanguard plus 6. 15 Vanguard.
No guard.
Oh, Magatsu.
Let me check. Hum scale.
Your turn.
Stand and draw. Alright, backward 0.
Why is your hand so huge? What do you get in a draft check? Nothing.
9k to your Vanguard.
Hand is huge, right?
Yeah, draft check.
Okay.
Your turn.
Stand and draw. Alright, Self-Giant Void Monster. Protect. He gets plus 3000. Call. 15 Vanguard.
No guard.
Draw. Power Vanguard. Draw.
Let me check, no trigger.
21,000 Vanguard. Open.
Stand and draw.
Oh, his skill can only use if your Vanguard is great straight away. Yeah.
Your hum scale. Quadrogra. Hum scale attack the finisher.
12.
Yeah.
No guard.
Dream draw first check, second check, no trigger.
Okay.
27 to your Vanguard.
No guard.
Your turn.
Draw. Yes. Power Vanguard. Draw. Another. Stand and draw. Alright, Magatsu win. Sorry, Magatsu Storm. Protect. Call Tsunamasa. My Vanguard plus 3k, so charge. Oh, social great shield. Call Fuki and the bird.
That's your last copy.
I play 3.
Oh.
I use his skill, so last 3 cards. Discard 2, protect, give markers. You return Geograph to your hand. Discard 5. Powerful, right?
Should have needed something else instead.
Call. Leopald. Borrow cards. Vanguard.
No guard.
Will attack first. Twin drive. Draw trigger. Power here. Draw. 2.
No trigger.
Okay. This is
No,
16, 26, right? Yeah.
Front.
Front. So I think it's set.
22.
Into overall card skill, counterblast 1, turn to hand. And then Vanguard skill, so what's the break 3? Draw 1 card, call 3 units. Oboro Sakura, Oboro cards, and Sakura Fubuki. I'll activate Oboro card skill. This card, Vanguard from my hand, double its power. Then I activate Sakura Fubuki skill. Discard 1 card from my hand, draw 1 card, counter charge. Then Oboro Sakura skill, combust 1, soul charge 1, plus 6,000. This guy gets plus 3,000. Attack of Vanguard.
How much?
Oh, they get plus 5k when being caught from Vanguard skill. So 15 plus 8
23.
plus 3
26.
plus 10.
36.
36k Vanguard.
37.
37, right? This will be, yeah,
My turn.
your turn.
Stand and draw. Yeah. Skill. Wait, it's a normal unit, so
Yep. Free superior cards.
binocular.
Oh,
Binoculars. And then I shuffle the deck.
I hope I played correctly. Was that a good turn? I don't know.
Normal unit.
Whoa, again. Okay. Free calls without using your hand. That's the power of Leopald.
Hamsuke and Hamsuke.
Okay. Oh, grade 3 Hamsuke. Okay. Continue.
My Vanguard will first attack your Vanguard. 12,000.
12,000.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you have no... Okay, no guard.
First check, second check, no trigger.
Damage check. Sakura.
9k regard. Oh wait, no. Binoculars attack skill.
Oh, potentially power up, right? Yeah, 3. Do you have tank bar? No tank bars.
Last 3 units in the front row.
Yeah, 3 units in front of that's 5k. So you choose first. And then you get to retire 1 also.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, it has to attack Vanguard.
Yeah.
Then
Retire
I
who?
retire Oboro card.
Oh man, that's my...
Yeah, so 19,000 to your Vanguard.
10k guard.
Yeah.
That's 19.
Yeah.
How much is this?
No, this is 14.
Oh, 14. Eh,
Sorry.
that's 17.
Yeah.
How much is this?
23.
Oh, 23. That's 17, right?
Mhm.
19. No guard. Wait. Actually guard.
14, finish round.
No guard.
17, binocular skill.
Using skill?
Yeah. So last one. Attack your Vanguard.
Yeah.
Normal unit, so
Cannot use sentinels.
yeah.
Oh, how much?
23.
How many cards on your hand?
4.
23. No guard. Heal. Power Vanguard. Can't heal.
17 regard.
I'll let him die.
Turn.
Stand and drop. Lucky heal. Alright. Magatsu Storm. Get protect. Call Magatsu Guild. Skill counterblast 1. Soul blast 1. Draw a card plus 6k. Then I call Void Master. Skill plus 3k. You cannot intercept. Oh, this is pretty good against Excel. 15 plus 8.
23.
23 Vanguard. Okay. Void Master skill, counts 1, returns back to hand. 15 to Vanguard. This skill, Soul Charge, return is back to hand. Vanguard skill, Soul Buster grade 3, draw 1 card, call 3 units. Void Master, skill plus 3k, cannot intercept. Sakura Fubuki. I use his skill to discard 1. Draw 1 card, counter charge. And call another Magatsu Storm. All of them gets 5,000. Vanguard attacks. Our Fuki gets 6k.
Okay.
No trigger.
Kill trigger. Counter Vanguard.
Oh, nice. Oh well. 16 to Binoculars. This will be 15, 20, 28, 28 plus 5,
33.
plus 3,
36.
Vanguard.
My Vanguard is 22.
Alright,
Need a 5k.
yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Third match will be coming out really soon, so yeah. Thank you.